Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Localize CAT Tool. The CAT Tool will allow your translators to streamline their translation workflows using an industry-standard computer-assisted translation tool. From the Manage Phrases page, select the CAT Tool link. You'll see your source language phrases on the left and the corresponding translations on the right. Using the Status drop-down menu, you can select the appropriate bin to view the list of translations that are in a particular status. You can also filter the list of published phrases that were translated by human or by machine. Selecting Machine Translation allows the translator to focus on checking those translations for accuracy. Status icons are displayed for each phrase that include the following: where the translation is in the translation workflow, for example, published, needs review, or needs translation, and how the translation was created, either machine or human. The phrase action icons allow you to do the following based on the status of the translation: propose an edit to a translation, unpublish a translation, approve a machine translation, publish or decline a translation, or add a translation. When you have a translation selected, the appropriate information will be available in the Sidebar Actions menu. You can view any glossary terms that are in a phrase. You can use the Advanced Translation Memory feature to see similar translations of the phrase, view the translation history, and the phrase history. See information about the phrase, like when it was created and on which pages it was found. View or add visual context, like screenshots. Read or add textual content. Textual content gives translators more insight into how the phrase should be translated. View any labels that are attached to the phrase. You can collapse the Sidebar Actions menu to make more space for the source phrase and translations. To narrow down the list of phrases, you can select from a number of filters that are available, including previously saved filters. You can even edit and save new filters. The Localize CAT Tool provides the features needed to help your translators streamline their translation workflows.